This video is going to show you how to use the zipper plugin on the 48 and 48 platform. So if you go to the site and go to Dashboard, we'll go over here to Tools and Zipper. It's pretty straightforward. You hit Start New Backup. It does a quick scan. It says, hey, do you want the tables and the file, or do you want the database and the files, or what? And you hit build zip, because you're going to want both of them. I've already done that, so I'll go over here to download. And once it's created, a file will show up here under downloads. So you click here and download it. I have already done that. And so I have basically this test directory, and I will go ahead and go to sites and then test. Actually, no, I'll go to desktop and then backup. Now I'll open that. So this is the zip or unzipped file. So this backup file is this directory. We're going to want to select all of these files. I'm going to just copy them and put them in my local directory here, which is running MAMP. If you're using something like cPanel, you're going to want to FTP into the public _HTML and drop all of these files except for the database directory. Do not upload the SQL file onto the server. That is a security risk. I have gone ahead and gone into phpMyAdmin, and I have imported this SQL file that you see here. So I'm actually finished with that. I see all of these tables on the left. I can throw this away. Again, do not upload the SQL file onto the server. It is not necessary. You will need to go into phpMyAdmin on cPanel or wherever you're hosted and import that file. I'm going to throw that away. Once that is finished doing once I've created the database and I have imported the database and have gone to test.dev, obviously if you're working on the live site, you'll want to put the correct URL in there. This example is more for technical people. So we hit continue. We're going to hit let's go. We're going to tell my local development that this is the database name that I'm using. MAMP uses root. Obviously, you're going to have something different if you're hosting on cPanel, hopefully a lot more secure than root. We hit submit. WordPress is going to say, oh, it connected, great. We hit run the install, and we have already imported the MySQL database, and so it's going to run it, and it's going to say WordPress is already installed, which means it has been connected, it has been imported, and that should work.